Yo, North America crew! Is it true California and Whistler are struggling for snow right now? Here's the reality. California's Sierra snowpack is sitting around the low 30% of normal. Many resorts are delayed or running limited terrain. Whistler is partially open, but conditions vary by elevation. Right above. Yes, Prime, not yet. Now look at Japan. Hokkaido and northern regions are already in full blizzard mode. Some areas are deep into winter already. Along the Sea of Japan side, cold air, moisture, and terrain are fully aligned. Snow is stacking properly. That's the power of JAPOW. Less vulnerable to warm spells. And once the pattern locks in, it keeps delivering. Right now, Japan simply offers better odds than waiting it out in North America. Sure, major resorts might already be booked out, but that's where I come in. I can take you to quiet local zones, even during peak season. That's the core of Tenenpan Unlisted. I had to say come now, but yeah, this season's already sold out. Sorry. So the powder gods never betray, wishing everyone an epic winter. Next season booking opens in May. Don't miss it.